Given voltage equals 450 sine 200t, and how long does it take this waveform to complete 1/3 of the cycle? First, write everything what is given. We have given voltage and we're supposed to find 1/3 of the period. If I want to find the period, I'm supposed to look at omega. Remember, omega is equal 2 pi over t. I have to solve this formula for t. In order to find t, I have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator of the fraction. T and t will cancel out. I have t omega is equal 2 pi. If I want to find t, I have to divide both sides equation by omega. Omega and omega will cancel out. T is equal 2 pi over 200 radians per second. Remember, next to pi I'm supposed to also write radians. Radian and radian will cancel out, and I'm going to have 2 pi over 200. I can reduce this fraction by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, that's why I'm going to have pi over 100 seconds. And this is the period of my waveform. Next, I have to find 1/3 of it. So what am I supposed to do? Simply multiply 1/3 by pi over 100 seconds. So this is going to be equal pi over 300 seconds. You can leave your answer like this, or you can use the calculator and divide pi by 300, which is equal 10.47 milliseconds. And this is the solution to this problem.